Okay, so this is the Swiss Cheese 3 cab. It's going back to the owner. He's picking it up tomorrow?
Today or tomorrow.
Today or tomorrow.
Yeah.
So it's all finished. Raptor sprayed inside, on the floors. Kick panels, all done. You did rockers on this one too, yeah? Rockers?
Inner and outer rockers.
What about cab corners? Yeah. The roof, inside the roof.
Inside the roof was all gone.
Anything on the outer skin?
No.
No.
No,
Okay.
I didn't touch it up there.
So yeah, it's going home. The guy's gonna put it back on the chassis, I think, and then what? Bring it back to us for body and paint later?
I don't know exactly what he's doing because you can't really, you need to paint, all the firewall has to be painted, all the jambs, all the interior, so I don't know what he's doing. I personally wouldn't put it on the chassis because then you gotta mask all that. I would paint all this first like we always do, then put it on. But I think for right now he's just gonna take it home and set it in the corner, and he's looking around for some good rust-free doors.
Okay.
He's looking for good original doors. So I don't know exactly where he's at with this one.
Okay, well either way, this is
Either
a Swiss
way.
Cheese 3 cab
Yeah.
and it's going home. So.
Yeah, he brought us a cab. We did. That's what he wanted us to do, and we did it. And it's solid. It's all done. It's all sprayed underneath. You can see, and it's good to go.
Yeah.
It's in primer, and he's good to go. Yeah.
Alrighty.
That's it for now.
Alrighty.
Okay.
So we're signing off. Another Swiss Cheese cab done.
Thank God.
It's always a good time at Old Time.